The next level of organization is tissue level. Cell plus cell equals to tissue. It means tissues are the groups of cells and the materials surrounding them that work together to perform a particular or specific function. There are just four basic types of tissues in human body, which include epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, and nervous tissue. Now we'll study all these tissues separately. The first one is connective tissue. Connective tissue connects, supports, and protects body organs while distinguishing blood vessels to other tissues. The examples of connective tissue include blood, fat, ligaments, cartilage, bones, and tendons. Next is nervous tissue. Nervous tissue carries signals back and forth between the brain and other parts of the body, which means it carries information from one part of the body to another through nerve impulses. The organs that are made up of nervous tissue are brain, nerves, and spinal cord. Next, there is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue covers and lines the surfaces of human body and organs inside and out. It also lines hollow cavities and forms glands. The examples of epithelial tissue include skin, hair, and fingernails. In last, there is muscle tissue. Muscle tissue can contract or shorten, enabling the body to move and generate heat. Organs that are made up of muscle cells, they include heart, lungs, stomach, biceps, etc.